In this video, we show how to replace the fan assembly on a PowerEdge R7625. Before removing the fan assembly, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the R7625 service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove the fan assembly, you must first remove the cover and air shroud. To remove the cover, use a screwdriver to rotate the lock counterclockwise to the unlocked position. Next, lift the release latch until the system cover slides back. Then, lift the cover from the system. To remove the air shroud, hold the edges of the air shroud and lift it out of the system. To remove the fan cage assembly, lift the blue release levers, then, holding the release levers, lift it away from the system. To install the fan cage assembly, align the guide rails with the standoffs on the system. Press release levers to lock the assembly into the system. To install the air shroud, align the slot on the air shroud with the standoff on the system. Then, lower it into the system until it is firmly seated. To install the cover, align the system cover with the guide slots on the system and place it onto the system. Next, close the system cover release latch. Finally, rotate the lock clockwise to the lock position. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.